in the world are we at today? Tejas. A little bit of America's very own country within a country. San Antonio, Texas. And wait, can I, before I forget this, I want to log this. It might not make it into the video, but about 10 minutes ago, overheard this young guy, and he said something about, he said his cheeks were, and he did it with his hands.
That one again.
Sliding past each other. I don't know if it's because it was 1,000 degrees out here due to sweat.
I am undergoing the same thing right now.
Oh, gross. Pigeons are wilding out here. Wilding.
They're fighting over carries.
They had a fight underneath my feet, and then the fight got out of hand. They took it to the street.
Yeah, the bouncer kicked them out.
Yeah, they took it to the alley, and they literally just like blew up an explosion of like feathers and shit went everywhere. Like there's literally a feather in the street from their fight earlier. Like shit went down.
There was a feather in Carrie's Primavera.
I swear a feather.
It flew over it. I think he took a little lick when he came so close.
I know someone in the food.
It was like Mr. Bean is like, whoa, 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 what's that? What you got in there?
Explosion of bird. Went everywhere. It was like an explosion of bird particulates. He said, what bitch? They're taking over, like.
I know.
Or is it the government watching us?
Pigeons. Government's infiltrated.
Wait, let me do my best Georgie Hill. Pigeons.
Free show while in line for the boat.
I have bad news for anyone who wants to ride the nighttime one. Everyone wants to ride the night one.
Yeah.
We're like 100,000 people back in the line.
We're like
V1.
a long line back.
We were just doing absolutely nothing.
Yeah, we were just hanging out.
Relaxed.
All of a sudden we came out.
We had so much time.
We went to the hotel 20 minutes ago and there was no line.
It's probably like an hour ago.
And we came back and it was packed.
I can see right here. Right? Alright, let's see what we got left over. We do have some more seats left over if y'all want to sit on the boat. You want to get on the next one? Get out your camera. This is going to be some live music, dancing, and comedy at the Argus and River Theater tonight.
It's our hotel, that's where we're staying.
Here we go.
About it being wanted to hear that story.
Oh wow, look at this.
Anyways, is anyone else celebrating a birthday tonight?
Any birthdays tonight? Yeah.
No? And, oh, up there, when all the family members.
Yes.
Okay. How old are you turning? 34.
Wow.
Nice. Happy birthday.
Whoa! There was a cup thrown at us.
I think it was the wind. I don't think people were.
Let's go.
This is Big Crazy right here. This is Big Loco. This bridge has been here since 1890. That's 1890. And right there is where the lovely Miss Jennifer sat her beautiful assets on a bridge and then had a kiss the besito in the movie, Selena. So that's what you gotta do. You gotta get a kiss. You gotta get a picture on this Selena Bridge. That is a tradition in San Antonio. Ow! Now let me get that directions back here. I'll get you the newest man-made section. Down below you right now, this is 4 feet deep solid concrete. That also comes with a strap-on harness. Here in San Antonio, you want to strap that 100-ounce margarita to yourself like it's a baby. You don't want to drop your baby. You don't want to spill your baby. And
to cap off the night here in San Antonio Riverwalk, we got
Ben and Jerry's. A lot of eating.
Where are we going?
Rainforest Cafe. Let me recreate my parents' home moment.
That was
What
crazy.
floor you need, Han?
4R.
Look how beautiful and peaceful.
I know, it's so
It's
nice.
currently 8:45, and it's pretty quiet out here.
8:45.
Cool to see it like this. Rainforest Cafe. This is one of my favorite places to eat since I was a child, because I am a child.
This
And
is
we
fun.
didn't get to do it for dinner, so we're gonna get a little breakfast. I've never had breakfast here, but
This is on Carrie's bucket list for San Antonio.
heck yeah, there's like a shrinking number of rainforest cafes in the world. I'm gonna go when I can. Shout out to Eddie Burback for that one video where he went to all of them. That one was cool and inspired me. Okay, let's do it.
This is a 3-story Rainforest Cafe.
Volcano! We already heard our first thunder. We're gonna do a count like Eddie did. We're at 1. It hasn't stopped.
Oh wow.
I think it sees my soul. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. This is the second thunderstorm, but wait, this is the third or fourth time that the apes have went off.
The fourth?
Fourth, I think. Because they went off 2 times without thunder. So we're at the count 2 thunders, 4 apes. We're 1 now. We're family. Let's bring in a plate. Wait a second.
That's it.
This is. Oh
Yeah.
my god! I thought we just walked into like a little plaza. Are you serious? It's so small.
Yeah, it's small.
This held off an army for 15 days, 18 days.
I'm standing in front of it. You're not.
Alright, where's number 1 at? Where's number 1 on that list?
Welcome.
Oh, we're supposed to listen to one outside.
Did they add the roof? Was the roof added before or after?
Yeah, before, after. You listen to 6?
I didn't even notice that. That one's really cool.
Yeah. Thank you.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pretty cool to discover something like that. They had the Juan Morales, this little
Really?
epaulets. I learned this called epaulets. That was number 30, which is the hat.
What hat? That hat? That's Carrie's kinfolks.
Give you a glimpse into the past. Santa Anna arrived with troops in San Antonio on February the 23rd, 1836, and laid siege to the Alamo, limiting the defenders.
Carrie with her Davy Crockett hat on.
Well, howdy, y'all.
Turn around. Nice.
These right here?
Yeah. Spanish hospital.
Ram Carson. Return Ramrod. Shoulder hard.